This is what you get when you come to Logan's Camping Adventure and Fishing Deluxe Package. So you can see this is my third fish within 45 minutes. I have to say hour maybe. And I have another video. This is actually the other video I made. Fonz, my cousin, made for me was just probably 30, 45 minutes ago, you have to say. And look at this. I have to say this is not that, maybe it's not that long, but it's a pretty fat fish. I would say it's probably 3.5 pounds, if that. So comment and rate if you can. Subscribe to my videos and his videos. It'd be really nice. Thanks. Peace.